Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my own acrylic nails using the Quick Dip powder starter kit that I got from Sally's Beauty. You can get this from any Sally's. Also, you can get this from Walmart. It makes it really easy to do your acrylic nails. The set comes with the brush cleaner that you can use to clean the brushes. It also comes with gel activator, nail primer, and then it also has the nail base and top gel. It's also numbered 1, 2, 3, so you would literally use them in the numbers that they come. It also comes with the Quick Dip powder, and you can choose any colors that you like. I got the pink, and I also got a white dip powder just because I know that I like to wear my nails pink and I like to wear them white. The very first thing that you want to do is start on clean nails, and then you want to put on the nail primer. After the nail primer, you're going to go in with the top coat, which is kind of like a glue, and you want to be pretty quick with this just because the glue does dry up. After you put the glue polish on your nails, you're going to go into the dip powder that you want to choose, so that you can make your nails hard and the color that you like them to be. This kind of works like acrylic. It's just that you're not actually having to put the layer of the acrylic on. You just can dip it in the dip powder. And I think that this makes it 10 times easier because you don't have to really have a technique with it. You're literally just painting the top coat of your nail, and then you're dipping it into the acrylic. I do this about 3 to 4 times. I usually keep it at 3 just because I do want it to be kind of thick, because you are going to file them down and shape them in the shape that you want. So when you do it 3 times, I just find it easier to file down. Even if you file too much, you're not filing all the way down to your nail because you did it 3 times. Okay, so I sped up and I did the other hand. After you go ahead and put the acrylic on your nails, you're going to use step 3, which is the gel activator. And that basically just hardens the nail and it makes it easier for you to file down. I like to go for a very square shape, and I do that by using the nail filer, and I also have a drill, and I got this from Target, and it was only like $11, and I absolutely love this. It comes with different little tips on them, but I like to use this one just because it really files the nail and it pushes my cuticles back as well, so you can actually see the square shape. And this step with the drill is very optional. You can obviously just use nail filers if you don't want to buy the drill. I just feel like the drill gives it that very nail salon sleek, clean shape. After you have gotten your desired shape, you just want to dust everything off, and you want to wash your hands and dry them. Don't wash them with soap or anything like that, just rinse them with water. Now it's time to paint your nails. Because I use the pink acrylic, it gives me this rose petal pink, and I actually really like it as a color. So I'm not going to put a polish on top of my nails. But you can use any gel nail color that you have if you have the gel nail lamp. And I also got this from Amazon. And you guys, it works wonders. Like, it dries your nails and hardens your nails so fast. I literally do this for about 2 minutes on each finger and you're all good. The color that I'm using is just a clear coat, and I use the foundation polish. After that, I top it off with another clear coat, and my nails are this really pretty pink, clear, like neutral color. Literally lasts me for about 2 to 3 weeks before it's time for me to either shape them up again or take this acrylic off and put on new ones. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if it was helpful. I will put where I got all of the products down in the description box below so that you can purchase them too. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks guys, bye.